Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So it's officially spooky season, so it's only right that we make a shirt. I'll have everything I use linked in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to start off with our tutorial, we're going to go ahead over to creativefabrica.com, and this is where I'll be getting the SVG that I'll be using for today's project. So I'm going to go ahead and type in skeleton SVG, and I like this one right here. I think that's super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and since I have a membership to Creative Fabrica, all you do is just like download it, right? So once you get your membership, you just download however many like projects, designs, or you know what it is that you want, like every month. Like there's no limits. You get commercial use with it, and if you use the link in my bio, you can try it out for 30 days for $1, y'all. And then after the 30 days is up, like I said, it's a monthly membership. It's unlimited designs, fonts, graphics, all that other stuff. So after the 30 days is up, you can get it for $19 when it normally is like $39. But I worked it out for you guys where you can have it for $19 a month. Right, so I go ahead and download it. I unzip the file. So we're just going to go ahead and exit out of all of that. So now we're going to start off with the blank canvas in Cricut Design Space. Go over to our uploads. And let's just upload our file into Design Space. Oops. I just want the SVG. Drag and drop. Bam. And let me just change this to skeleton so I can find it easier next time. All right, we'll just go ahead and upload that and insert it to our canvas. And I'm not really going to do too much with this right now. Let me make this a little bit smaller. See, over here is cut into all these layers. I'm looking. Okay, so let me ungroup it. And the bow right there, I'm going to hide it. Take everything else and attach it so it can all just cut out in one piece. What's this saying right here? But it's not. I don't know why it's saying that because it's only 12 up top. Anyway, moving along. So go ahead and... Oh, okay, my width is too long. I was like, what are they talking about? Yeah, I did need to... Wait, let me do my bow first. Let me attach my bow. I'm just going to change the color of that to, like, I have like this super cute neon orange vinyl that I want to use. So I'm going to, that's the color of my bow. I'm just going to put that right there. Select all and change the width to about 9.5. Right? And it's going to auto adjust for me. And that's it. So we're just going to go ahead and hit make it. Don't forget to mirror your project. Mirror both mats. And we're just going to go ahead over to our Cricut and go ahead and cut it out. So this is my first time actually using glow-in-the-dark vinyl and puff vinyl, but you just cut it out the same way that you would your normal vinyl, right? Shiny side down, and I just put my Cricut settings to vinyl, and it cut perfectly one pass through regular settings. And don't judge me because I have these tape all over my mats, y'all. I'm too lazy to wash them and too cheap to go and buy some more, so I just keep masking taping it up. So once I have everything cut, just go ahead and weed it like normal. Then I'll just go ahead and press my glow-in-the-dark vinyl at 305 degrees for about 15 seconds. And I did press the puff vinyl the same 305 degrees for 15 seconds, but you're not supposed to press the puff vinyl that long, only about 5 seconds. And I believe that's why it had like these bumps right here on it, but it was still pretty cool. So after I did this, I was like, oh, it'd be super dope if I put like some bones on the sleeves. So I went back to Creative Fabrica and found some bones, and that is what I'm doing right here. And that is pretty much it, y'all. And I only exposed it to light as I was making this, and this is how much it glows just from being exposed to the ring light. I went into the closet just to film this for you guys. But that is it, you guys. This project was super dope. This would be super cool on Halloween. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.